Welcome, everyone. Today, we're looking at a plant-based alternative to omega-3 fatty acids from fish products. In principle, we can utilize some nutrients better from animal sources than from plants. The reason? In meat, fish, etc., they are often in a form that is easier for our bodies to use. On the other hand, we find many vital nutrients such as vitamins, fiber, and secondary plant compounds mainly or even exclusively in plant foods. When it comes to omega-3 fatty acids, things are a little more complex. Although they are also found in animals, they are mainly produced by plants such as algae. For example, the omega-3 fatty acids in fatty cold water fish come largely from the algae that the fish have previously eaten. The algae are the primary producers in this case. But it's not just algae that offer omega-3 fatty acids. Other plant-based foods such as flax seeds, walnuts, and various other nuts and seeds also contain them. However, they contain a specific form of omega-3 fatty acids that cannot meet all of our needs. More on that in a moment. By the way, freshwater fish also contain omega-3 fatty acids, but significantly less than their relatives from cold sea areas. The reason for this appears to be the lower temperatures of the oceans. The cold water fish apparently store more of these fats in their bodies in order to better adapt to the colder conditions. But what are omega-3 fatty acids anyway? They are polyunsaturated fatty acids that our body cannot produce itself. Therefore, we have to get them through food. They are essential for us. Omega-3 fatty acids take on many vital functions in the body. They are important components of cell membranes and help regulate inflammatory processes. Studies show that they can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes, by positively influencing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Additionally, research suggests that omega-3 fatty acids may protect against certain cancers, such as breast and colon cancer, and reduce the risk of diabetes. They are also associated with improved brain function and a lower risk of depression and cognitive impairment in old age. Of the various omega-3 fatty acids, alpha-linolenic acid, abbreviated ALA, as well as the long-chain eicosapentaenoic acid EPA and docosahexaenoic acid DHA are particularly important for our health. EPA and DHA are found primarily in fish, algae, and seafood, while ALA is found in vegetable oils such as linseed, walnut, and seeds. Now, let's talk about the limitations mentioned earlier as to why we cannot meet our full omega-3 fatty acid needs through ALA-containing plant foods alone. Although our body can convert ALA, which is contained in plant foods, into the active forms EPA and DHA to a limited extent, this process is relatively inefficient. Only about 5 to 10% of the ALA consumed is actually converted into EPA and DHA. Therefore, ALA-containing foods such as flax seeds, walnuts, or rapeseed oil cannot fully cover our overall need for omega-3 fatty acids. In order for us to absorb enough EPA and DHA, it is important that we consume these two vital forms of omega-3 directly through our diet. Normally, we mainly meet our needs through fish and seafood. This can be a challenge for vegans or people who don't eat fish. Luckily, there is the plant-based alternative already mentioned: seaweed. Studies show that many types of algae, such as brown and red algae, are very rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA. Particularly high EPA values were measured in the brown alga Fucus vesiculosus. Such algae could be a great vegan source of omega-3. But are the plant-based algae omega-3 fatty acids enough to meet our needs? Research suggests that some species can provide significant amounts of EPA, DHA, and the third important omega-3 fatty acid, ALA. The EPA and DHA contents in some algae are close to those of fish oils. However, it is still unclear how well our body can absorb and utilize the omega-3 fatty acids from algae compared to fish oil. Further investigations are needed here. Overall, seaweed is definitely a promising plant-based source of omega-3. They can help meet our needs for these vital fatty acids, whether we are vegan or simply want to incorporate more plant-based foods into our diet. That's it for today's episode. Thank you for your attention, and as always, we wish everyone a long, healthy, and happy life. See you in the next episode.